Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to add fractions. So before we get into it, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, and yeah, do all that good stuff. And now let's get started. So here we got our first question. 2/5 plus 1/5. Now this is pretty easy. When you're adding fractions that have the same denominator, you just want to, you don't want to really change the denominator at all. Because only adding the top parts changes. If you can't add denominators. So the denominator stays the same. And we got 2/5 and we got 1/5. 2/5 plus 1/5. 2 plus 1 is 3. So here we got 3/5. Okay, so same concept here. The denominator, since both of them are the same, we're gonna just make sure it's the same. And 1 plus 4 is 5, so it's 5/6. Now here is where it gets a little bit trickier, but it's still pretty easy. These fractions are different, so we can't just add them and go like 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 3 is 5. So it's not 2 or 5. That's not how it works. Here, you need to find a common denominator. What that means is make sure both of the fractions have the same denominator. So you know how we talked about simplifying and equivalent fractions? Yeah. Find a number that has its multiple of 2 and 3, which is 6, right? So just kind of change it to a 6. How do you do that? By multiplying both sides by 3, so the fraction stays equal. And here we will get 3/6. Now we got to change this to a 6th. Just multiply that by 2, so the least common denominator is 6. We got 2/6. Now let's make sure before we start adding, just make sure that you understand that a half is equal to 3/6 because 6 slices, half of them is 3. And 1/3 is equal to 2/6. And yeah, so here 3 plus 2 is 5. And the denominator stays the same, so it's 5/6.